Okay, welcome to the Viral Marketer Assistant Owner presentation, and definitely excited to share this opportunity to move people from being in a position of, simply working and trying to build a business themselves to actually earning from the owner's side in a business opportunity. And one thing that definitely want to share with a lot of people, even though that I have been successfully networking online, for 8 years now. I actually retired from an 8-year management career at Wells Fargo Bank at age 38 after I was able to double my income in only 8 months of working online and building myself up to the number 2 income earner in the company. But I can tell you this, that even with that, having started my own company in 2015, I was able to make more as an owner than I did as a distributor. And that's really the key to a lot of success, is being able to own businesses, own companies. And my goal now, having achieved some of those goals and helping other people retire and be financially free, is to really develop another way to make even more people successful. And so this business, I've had sitting on the shelf for about 2 years, this idea of outsourcing. Outsourcing is a skill of where you hire other people to do work for you. And a lot of people don't have that experience or skill set of knowing who to hire, how to manage them, what the cost, really should be for the work that's being done, being able to guide them directly on what they need to do that's going to make in return a profit for the work that they're doing. That happens to be my specialty, and people have actually employed me to build their companies and find these people to do these things. So it's created a great network for me, which has helped me to build my own businesses. And now, looking to launch this next business here and this next year, I want to take other people along with, the fantastic ride of earning as an owner with Viral Marketing Assistance. So let me share with you this presentation to really give you an idea, of how this structure is going to work for those that want to be a part. And with Viral Marketing Assistance, you have a lot of people that are online trying to market their business. There's so many ways, so many tools, and for a lot of people, it's become very confusing. Well, there are people who specialize in each one of these areas that can do even a more effective job. They stay up to date with the changes, the updates, the rules. And if you hire these people and have them working for you, then you can actually get more done effectively. And so this corporation that we're forming is going to now bring that particular tool to the marketplace, to where people who have just been saying, I don't have much time to market. I get up, I go to work, have the kids, school, come home, cook dinner, and now I've got to learn, all this stuff. It's difficult. So we want to find a solution to really help people be successful. And I thought, well, why not only just provide this system to help people be better distributors, but why not open up the door to ownership and let some people experience that? The website's already been up for 2 years. I can improve it and do whatever. I've already been selling these services, which I could very well do, as you'll see, and certainly people would buy them and I would make even more money. But this is really a legacy system for me, a really purpose of giving back and doing more than I've ever seen done, than anyone else. They say too much is given, much is required. And so being that steward is why I'm opening up this opportunity for you. So again, our service is to help people who realize there's all these things out on the internet that they don't know how to do. They can't juggle it all with their time. And if you're going to be successful, you've got to provide solutions for people. And so these done-for-you marketing services that will be provided to them, there's nowhere else on the internet where anyone with this skill set are making these things available. Certainly, as you'll see, the prices that we're going to offer and the rewards for those even doing so, it's second to none. Like I said, it's a no-brainer that when you see what I'm about to show you, that I could actually just go out and do it myself. But it's an opportunity for others to work with me. So, service itself, charging only $25 a month. I know people already watching this raising their hand. Where do I get started? How do I sign up? Well, we're not even going to open that up first. We're opening it up for owners at this time. But I want to show you how very powerful our product and service is, so unique in the marketplace that we're not going to have a problem with people. Like I said, I have 1,000 people joining my particular website a month right now who are all marketers, who are all in the business of trying to advertise. And so when I open this up for $25 a month, it's a no-brainer. Sales are not going to be a problem. You know, we already got 19,000 audience internally, but it won't be just sold internally. We're also going to sell it externally as well for even higher prices to professionals, which will make us even more money. Now, when a person is purchasing these tools, there are going to be leveraged earnings within the network side. You basically have a two-level, what I call service matrix. And what this service matrix does is, as they're paying $25 a month and other people that they're sharing it with and so forth, and you'll see why, because there is compensation also attached to this valuable service. Not only are we going to be marketing their business all out over the internet, but also they'll be making money in their primary companies converting those leads, as well as an income with the Viral Marketing Assistance Program itself. So with this three-level matrix, as people are coming in and also purchasing the product, it earns more services for that person. On level one, you'll see those types of services, which we basically start immediately, but just as you get three people on that just makes more work get done for you. Level two, same thing. Start that work immediately, but as you build up, more of that work gets done for you. All you'll simply have to do as a customer is just put in the name of the business or businesses that you want to market, and our viral marketing assistants will go out and begin to market that business for you, also providing a report in the back office of all the places where they marketed your business that you can go look and see physically out on the internet. And that is also going to be a teaching tool for that person if they want to duplicate what the marketers are doing for them. So what's really going to be exciting is, for those of you that haven't seen any of my mad scientist structures, put your seatbelts on, because I've been writing comp plans for companies for some time now, at least the last 5 years, and I've learned a thing about numbers being in the banking industry as a manager for 8 years. And I've got a unique structure and compensation plan that's patented and or patent pending still, and that structure, many people would love to know how it works, and I've actually put it on steroids for this opportunity for those who are purchasing the service. So you have a matrix that's building simultaneously. You have your service matrix, Those are people that are coming in buying the $25 a month product and service. Those same people are also in your pay matrix. In your pay matrix are the exact same 3 people on the first level, the exact same 9 people, an additional level of 3 people that is going to pay the person who is purchasing this service $25 a month. That's going to pay them $65 daily. And those of you that are going to be owners, we are going to unveil how these numbers work for you only. We already have a non-disclosure that's ready for those that want to actually be a part. So that's going to produce $2,000 monthly residual income for that individual who is getting their marketing done for them for whatever their primary company is. So like I said, with 1,000 people coming in every month already, this is going to be more than enough people that will say simply, hey, I'll take a stab at it for $25. And they're absolutely going to be making a lot more than $25 daily, and they're not going nowhere. So the owners are going to be sharing the profits equally. And I have to keep that word, because this is not a security. This is not a founder's opportunity. This is co-ownership. So we're not violating any types of investment laws or anything like that. This is like nothing you've been offered before. It's not about, you being designated as, some leader or something. No, you are going to equally own and share, as I've learned to do with a tax guru that we now have that's guiding and directing us. And so this is also open for international. They can also share equally in the profits as well. So how does that look? Well, the first thing that a lot of people don't know about owners, especially in compensation plans, is they usually stack the top of any structure for themselves or their families or for leaders. And that also pads a lot of income for the company, not to mention breakage. And if you don't know those things, we'll discuss those later. So all of the owners are going to be a part of the first 39 positions that are earmarked for the company. Those first 39 positions in the structure, all producing $2,000 a month each, makes $78,000 per month, of which owners will equally divide. Now, 12 months of that type of income will be making more than $1 million a year with the other ways we'll earn, which we'll only share privately for the owners. But you're looking at 936 just through those 36 positions alone, and there'll be more positions. Not only that, you'll have your positions individually, which will also produce another $2,000 a month for you individually. So just for an example, I'm looking at keeping this, I don't want to even go, if we reach 100, I'll stop, because that would be about, just with that, would be about $10,000 a month for each owner. The first 39 positions, through the $25 per month that comes in, a portion of that pays for those 39 positions. So those company positions actually come from the customers. So just 300 customers alone locks in all of that for our profits. So it stays out of profit. So very easy to do. Like I said, we'll be advertising, to thousands internally in our website, which is growing at an alarming rate right now. So this is the perfect time to offer these types of services. Um, that many, and again, equally share is $250. That's it. $250. And the quadrant module here by Robert Kiyosaki, you know, with the marketing that I'm putting out with the webinar and everything, it's for me to just sort and sift who is what and where. Like I said, I've been an employee, actually climbed the corporate ladder pretty well with the largest bank, um, in the U.S., Wells Fargo Bank, and was able to climb that corporate ladder not only that time, but several times with MCI, with um, SBC Global, Allstate. So been very successful in the employment arena, but I just realized that it wasn't for me and wasn't sustainable for me because I needed my time to focus on my purpose, which was ministry. And I couldn't be working as a manager and building a church at the same time. So I looked to, work for myself, self-employment. And self-employment, a lot of times people don't know, owning a business, your business can own you if you don't have the time. Depends on that profession. And so that's why I look to the networking model for the time leverage as well as a business owner. And having that system that has that network that's also working for you. When you're not working, someone else is marketing, showing the compensation plan, doing the meeting. You got thousands of people around the world. It gives you a lot of time freedom where your income grows. But then also now creating the marketing system that we have allows you to expand yourself to not just be for one company or one product, but all companies and all products. And now when you take this service of viral marketing assistance, again, you expand a very valuable service for anyone, traditional business, nonprofit. Everyone's trying to market what they're doing, and they don't know how to do it. People come to me all the time. They just kind of ask me, "Hey, Brother Marcus, what is it that you do?" And I say, I teach people how to market their businesses. Oh, wow, I need to talk to you. I got this idea. I got that idea. How much would it cost me? And I'll be able to say $25 a month. You got to be kidding. Nope. And I'm going to introduce them and bring them into a place where they're going to be earning more money than their business ideas from the start. But then there are those of you that understand that, look, I don't have those skill sets. I'm not wanting to be in that level. I'm really just interested in more of a passive. That's what this opportunity is now. That person that wants to become a owner, invest that, like an investor doesn't do anything with the day-to-day operations. You can operate in that type of capacity as a co-owner because these are the skill sets I have. If you want to learn, you're an owner, fine. I'll show you. You sign a non-disclosure. I can let you get involved at whatever level you're comfortable at. Participate at whatever level you want to or not at all. Just cast a check. So it's people that have the mindset of being a B and an I, being on the right side of this quadrant, are the people that have an opportunity right now to be, in something that's definitely unique and attractive that we're going to launch into the marketplace. Once we launch that, all of the people on the left side of the quadrant will be our customers. They will be paying $25 per month to get this work done for them. They either don't know how to do it, don't have the time to do it, don't want to do it. So it'll be done for them at a very affordable, consistent price, which is going to bring a lot of wealth, which we are going to divide equally together. So again, the website has been up for quite some time. The Viral Marketing Assistance website. We may update it, maybe a little outdated now. We'll kind of give you just a view here. But another thing that's going to happen is that this external website is going to also be marketed for people. So, out on LinkedIn and to other professionals, we're going to be marketing this service, and it's going to be a lot more than $25. But each time someone is buying web design, search engine optimization, social media, video marketing, graphic design, personal virtual assistants, content marketing, mobile marketing, they buy these services, which are a lot more than $25 a month. That also is going to create positions. So it's only $25 a month is only $300 a year. So we sell a package for $1,000. We have also the $300 markup in, which is going to pay for an annual spot in the structure, the pay structure, which is going to be another owner profit position. So it grows more than the 39, and it grows more than the pool. So this is a very valuable service right now that people don't know where to find. People are not offering these services. And so this also improves your resume for you to say that, this is your business. You're a co-owner of this. You were a person also part of launching this company. Even as someone that has just been a passive co-owner. If you're one that's actually out still building networking, you can provide $25 program to the people who are in your networking company to help them be able to build their businesses with you and that stream of income better. So the process here, as we come to a close here, when a person is in the back office of here, this area of viral marketers will become the public link to all of the individuals that are joining this opportunity through marketing all of the different companies that we give them to market for free. So all of these are real people coming in. So all of these real people coming in, as they begin to learn and understand the system, this area will change. Right now, this area is for those who have an opportunity that want to become an owner. Video shows kind of the work, what it does, but the videos here are focused on those being entrepreneurs and this activity here, and then the cash flow quadrant that we talked about, and then the corporation information. That's what's here now for those, this information. Once we have completed our founders, then this information only focuses on customers and the services and the cost and the compensation structure. And they will be able to click and purchase with their credit card, and also will use Bitcoin for those international, so that they can pay for their services, and then we begin to profit. The value of this is because I already have a lot of these things built. Viral marketing assistance. Some of you that have been here have seen that for some time. It's been there, and now we brought it to the front, and we're going to move together in ownership. So if you're interested, there'll be a button for you to choose, click, and also become a co-owner. Also in the team build area, you can click there, and we're going to get this electronically done, and just type in NDA which stands for non-disclosure agreement. We'll also have the button there, and then there you can read, again, our NDA agreement, that you're not sharing our trade secrets that we'll be sharing with you. So we got things positioned and ready to go. We're just looking for the people who are interested in being business owners and also partners in passive or active and growing the Viral Marketers Company 2016. Thank you, and we'll see you on the top.